Welcome to Profitability Plus. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind boosting your financial credibility and navigating the intricacies of credit scores. Let's dive into the following captivating topics. Today's focus: revealing the ultimate day to settle your credit card bill for potential score boosts. Is it Sunday? Nope. Wednesday? Not quite. Fridays? Not even close. The magic lies in the statement close date, which we'll dissect in this video. The first and most crucial component is on-time payments, constituting 35% of your credit score. As the name suggests, it's all about ensuring your payments are made promptly. Whether it's settling your credit card bill or your mortgage, missing the due date isn't ideal, but it's not catastrophic either. You typically have a 30-day buffer before credit card companies report lateness to the bureaus. However, be mindful of late fees if you do miss the due date, a day or two behind. Simply pay it off as soon as possible. The second component, accounting for 30% of your credit score, is credit utilization. This metric assesses how much of your available credit you're utilizing. For instance, if you have a $10,000 credit limit and spend $5,000, your utilization is 50%. While the golden rule is to keep it under 30%, aiming for under 10% is optimal. Exceeding this threshold may raise red flags to creditors, impacting your score negatively. We'll delve deeper into this when discussing the best day to pay your credit card bill. The third component, constituting 15% of your credit score, is your average length of credit history. This factor evaluates the age of your oldest account and the average age of all your accounts. It's crucial to maintain the longevity of your credit history by refraining from closing your oldest card, as it contributes positively to your score. However, you can safely close newer cards without significantly impacting your average length of credit history. Even after closure, the positive standing of a paid-off card continues to age on your profile for up to 10 years, providing a lasting boost. The fourth component, comprising 10% of your overall credit score, is credit mix. This assesses the variety of credit accounts in your profile, including credit cards, auto loans, and home loans. Credit cards represent revolving credit, while auto and home loans are categorized as installment-based credit. The fifth and final component, also contributing 10% to your credit score, is hard inquiries. These occur when you apply for new credit, resulting in a hard pull on your credit report. It's important to note that hard inquiries have a temporary impact and typically fall off your report after 2 years. To kick things off, let's break down the components of a credit score. On-time payments are the cornerstone of a healthy credit score. They demonstrate your reliability in managing credit obligations, such as credit card bills, loan payments, and other financial commitments. Consistently making payments by their due dates showcases your responsible financial behavior and contributes significantly to building a positive credit history. Credit utilization measures the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. It reflects how responsibly you manage your credit accounts and is calculated by dividing your total credit card balances by your total credit limits. Maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, ideally below 30%, signals to lenders that you're not overly reliant on credit and can manage your finances prudently. The length of your credit history refers to the age of your credit accounts and plays a crucial role in determining your creditworthiness. Lenders prefer to see a longer credit history as it provides more data on your financial behavior and payment patterns. Older accounts demonstrate stability and reliability, contributing positively to your credit score. Credit mix assesses the variety of credit accounts in your credit profile, including credit cards, installment loans, mortgages, and other types of credit. Having a diverse mix of credit types demonstrates your ability to manage different forms of credit responsibly. Lenders view a well-rounded credit mix favorably, as it indicates that you can handle various financial obligations effectively. Hard inquiries occur when lenders or financial institutions review your credit report as part of the credit application process. These inquiries typically happen when you apply for new credit cards, loans, or mortgages. While each hard inquiry may have a minor short-term impact on your credit score, multiple inquiries within a short period can raise concerns about your credit-seeking behavior. These factors collectively determine your creditworthiness and shape your overall credit score. Contrary to popular belief, the optimal day to pay your credit card bill is not the due date, but the statement close date. This key date, typically a few days before the due date, marks the end of your billing cycle and the moment when your credit card issuer reports your balance to the credit bureaus. By paying off your balances before this statement close date, you effectively lower your reported credit utilization, which is a crucial factor in calculating your credit score. Lower credit utilization ratios are associated with higher credit scores, making this strategic payment timing a powerful tool for maximizing your creditworthiness. By leveraging the statement close date and paying your bills strategically, you take control of the information reported to credit bureaus, ultimately optimizing your credit score potential and financial outlook. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine I have a Chase Sapphire Reserve with a $24,000 credit limit. If I spend $10,000 in a month and pay it off after my closing date of April 7th, Chase reports to the bureaus that I've utilized nearly 42% of my credit. Even if I pay it off by my May 4th due date, the high utilization may negatively impact my score. The key: paying off as much as possible before the statement close date, typically around 20 to 24 days before the due date. This proactive approach helps keep your utilization low, potentially boosting your credit score when you need it most, like when applying for a loan. While paying on the due date is fine for some, those aiming for score improvements should consider settling before the statement close date. Remember, your financial goals shape your strategy. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Your support not only helps our channel grow, but also allows us to continue creating informative videos to help you navigate the world of personal finance. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay financially empowered.